Hey, how you doing? This is Syed and I'm back with another video. I had to retake this video for some reason. The software that I recorded the video recorded crashed for some reason. So I'm just going to do another retake of this video. So we're going to talk about today earning big commissions with high ticket affiliate marketing. So commissions on affiliate marketing can typically range from 5 to 75%, sometimes even up to 100% commissions you'll find on product launches, for example. However, it's very common for products to be, low price items. For example, physical products, you're earning 5 to 10%. It's very low commissions. As a result, you earn, as an affiliate, you end up earning low commissions. So for example, if you're selling a $50 product and your commissions are, say, 40%, then you're earning around, $20 for every sale. So let's face it, it's not really that much, is it? Not only that, to make a decent income, you would have to generate many sales to achieve a significant income. And this means more work for you in terms of marketing. So what if you can earn more income for the same or less amount of effort? And that's possible, made possible with high ticket affiliate marketing. So high ticket affiliate marketing is simply, affiliate marketing, but promoting with higher price products that can cost anywhere from typically $500 to $1,000 plus per product. So when you promote these high ticket products, you will, of course, earn higher commissions. And so with that example of 40% commissions on a $50 product, which earns you $20, sorry, I just put pounds but dollars, in comparison on a 40% commission for a $1,000 product, you would earn $400 for a single sale. So now can you see the lucrative income potential of promoting high ticket products? And if you think that it's hard to sell high price product, then you may want to reconsider, because as long as the affiliate program, of the owner of the high ticket program or product has a decent product with a sale, decent sales funnel that's converting at a profitable rate, then for you as an affiliate, when it comes to marketing it, it should not be much different for you promoting a high ticket product than a lower ticket product. The principles and strategies are essentially the same. For example, you would write a review of the high ticket product. You would give away the same some high quality bonuses, for example, to complement the high ticket product. You would have a bridge page that leads to the high ticket product sales page. You would create landing pages, create lead magnets, and you could do a comparison article on similar products, high ticket products, and recommend your chosen one as the one they should go for, your audience should go for. And you can, of course, place ads and so on. So as you can see, the marketing strategies, the activities that you would do are almost the same as you would be promoting a low ticket product, but you can potentially earn more. So think about this: would you prefer to sell few items with high commissions, or the many items with low commissions, with almost the same amount of marketing efforts? So I'm sure you'll agree that you'd rather sell few items and more, right? So here's some examples of high tier products and services that are potentially available. Okay, so coaching services, comprehensive full-blown online courses, live events, jewelry, designer wear, cars, if there are affiliate programs for them, investment programs. One program that I know of, Regal Assets, that pays up to 3% of total investment from a customer who's been referred and invested. So for example, if they invested, if a customer you referred and they invest $100,000, your commission will be $3,000. Right? Software products, for example, Shopify, the leading e-commerce platform that allows you to build e-commerce stores online, that pays up to $2,000 for a referral to one of their high-end plans, which is the Plus referral, I believe. One major benefit for promoting high-ticket programs is the amount that you earn. You get to spend more on advertising because you're going to earn more, and potentially you can recoup your ad spend and scale up your business quicker than if you were to sell low ticket items. So the benefits of promoting high ticket programs are definitely worth the effort, as you get to earn more, promote less, and have more to spend on advertising to grow your business. So if you would like to learn about an affiliate program for promoting a high ticket marketing product, I mean, I personally, I'm promoting it, that's why I just thought I'd share it with you. This line of products that pays up to, this line of products pays up to $900 plus, as well as recurring monthly commissions. And also you can have your dream car lease paid for, it's it's really lucrative affiliate program, and it's a program from a company called ClickFunnels, and it's called ClickFunnels Affiliate Bootcamp. So as I said, it's an affiliate program for promoting a very popular marketing software called ClickFunnels, and they sell all sorts of resources, books, and training courses, as well as the ClickFunnels marketing software. And I personally have got a plan with them as well. I use the software to build landing pages, lead magnet pages, and all sorts of marketing pages. Very easy to use, fantastic piece of software, beginner friendly, and of course you get lots of training on how to promote their line of products. So if you're interested, check that out. I'll put a link in the YouTube description below, but you can also go to this website called the website I've linked to is fellowship.com/CFAPBC. Okay, so I'll put a link in the description below. But yeah, if you're interested in that, definitely go for it. So yeah, that's it for now. Thanks for watching. And if you like this video, please comment, like, and subscribe. And for your free resource on how to build an online business with affiliate marketing, you can check out fellowship.com/free. Got some free resources put together for you if you're interested, and you could definitely check that out. Okay, so thanks for watching, and see you next time.